Today we are going to see how to set our decided memory location to the variable. Usually system automatically assign the address to the variable, but this time we are assigning to the address to the pointer variable. Okay, let's do it. First we write a simple program. Okay, countdown. Okay, this is a simple program. We know that it is a single program. Now I am introduce some one variable, pointer variable, star. Okay, pv. So address of a assigned to the pointer variable, and let's check the address of a. Okay, address of a equal to percentage p. So p means pointer address. Okay, now print pv. Okay, right. Okay, this is address of a. In other words, it is the value stored in the pv. Okay, so let's introduce another variable called b. So this time pv1. Okay, so let's pv1 equal to version of b. So let's print address of b. Okay, percentage b. Let's check it. Okay, so no line. So it is a no line. Now check it. Okay, so pv or address of pv hold the address of a and p1 hold the address of b. Now we are going to assign the address to the pointer variable. Okay, let's see how to do it. Now here I writing integer, okay, for some pointer variable. So let's take as a user. Okay, user define address pointer. User define address pointer. Okay, now 0c14. So the memory allocated by system in the sequential order. Okay, in the sequential order. So let's assume what is the next or next address. It is a c. Okay, okay, so I assume that it is a sequential order. So let's assume it starts from 1 0. Okay, usually this is a hexadecimal number, so here we have to typecast into the integer pointer. So let's done. Is this have any error? No, it's clear. So now print the new address. Okay, address of user define address pointer. Okay, so let's check the address. So put the new line. Okay, comma Okay, let's check it. Okay, it is successfully run. So this is our new address. Okay, so new address, assign it to the pointer variable. Okay, now we are going to store the data. Okay, let's try it. Star udap. Okay, write some value, so 45. So here, so print the value by using address or at pointer variable. Okay, let's print. Okay, data of the udap. Okay, let's check it. It is a integer data type. Put no line here. Okay, here star udap. Okay, let's run it. Okay, yeah, but we have done it. We introduce one pointer variable. Here we assign to the address. Usually system allocate the address by, but this time we decided the address to the pointer variable. It's nice. Okay guys, let's see to the another interesting tutorial. Until then, bye. Thank you for watching.